Okay, Mario, once again with MIA Microflight. I just received the MOSFETs from DigiKey for the repair of the control board for this Hirobo Quark SRB. I showed some earlier short videos. I did a bunch of short videos talking about how I came around to determining that the problem with the control board was these MOSFETs here that you see here. There are three MOSFETs right on top of the right next to these plugs that plug to the one plugs to the brushless motor, main motor, and then the other plugs to the tail cordless motor. So there's only two pin there. The other side of this, as we can see, it also has three MOSFETs to do the three-phase control for the brushless motor, and then there's another one right here, right by the bottom of my finger here, that does the control for the cordless motor. So there's three positives and three negatives, N channel and P channel MOSFETs arranged in this configuration, in this simplified diagram that I show here. You know, it's almost like a push-pull type thing, you know, plus minus, you know, to do the three-phase pulsing that is required to get this motor running, typically of a three-phase motor system, control system. And then this other one is just a single N-channel MOSFET that is in line with the motor, you know, to drive the tail motor, to just a cordless motor. And so I did these diagrams, you know, to show this. I also labeled these, you'll notice TX and TQ. TX, I believe, you know, you'll have to watch my short videos. I explain all that, and I also did a, you know, close-up of these MOSFETs here on the circuit board. These are labeled TX from what I'm able to read here. I can't, let me see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, I believe those are T, or maybe not. Maybe those are TQ. I believe those are the TQ, and these are the TX on the bottom here. Yeah, those are TX. These are TX, and there's a TQ right here. TQ is an N channel, TX is our P channel. So these are P channels on the underside of this board, and the N channels are on the top. The N channels being the TQs. So anyway, I just received these components from DigiKey. As I was saying, I'm quite happy that they finally got here. It took about a week, not an issue, because this is not a pressing thing that I need to do. It's just you know, to repair this board. If you have been following these videos on this Hirobo Quark repair of this control board, hopefully this will do it. Stay tuned for my other videos. Mario once again.